Thyme, immune boost and antimicrobial power. Thyme is an herb which is extensively utilized in cooking due to its distinctive scent and flavor. In addition to its use in cooking, it is well known as a medicinal herb. Due to its powerful immune boosting and antimicrobial properties, thyme is now an effective natural cure to treat various ailments. One of the most important ingredients in thyme giving its unique characteristics is the chemical thymol. Thymol is a naturally occurring chemical that is found in the primary oil of the herb thyme. It's known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, which make the herb a powerful natural cure for a variety of pathogens. Thyme is used throughout the ages in traditional medicines for respiratory ailments like colds, coughs, and the bronchitis. Thyme's antimicrobial properties aid in fighting infections and decrease inflammation of the respiratory system. It can provide relief from the symptoms. Alongside its benefits for respiratory health, thyme is also a great supplement to your immune system. An immune system that is healthy is vital to overall health as well as protection from infections and illnesses. Thyme aids in strengthening the immune system through stimulating the creation of white blood cells that are the ones responsible for fighting against foreign invaders and pathogens. The herb is also high in antioxidants. These contain compounds that help protect your body from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable substances which can harm cells, causing illnesses such as cancer. Through regular consumption of thyme, it can boost the amount of antioxidants you consume and lower the chance of developing damage and oxidative stress. Additionally, thyme was discovered to possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a cause of many illnesses such as arthritis, heart disease, as well as certain kinds of cancer. Through reducing inflammation within your body, the herb thyme may aid in preventing or managing the symptoms. In addition to its anti-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory properties, thyme is also examined for potential anti-cancer effects. Certain studies have demonstrated that thymol, which is the main chemical in thyme, can stop the spread and growth of cancerous cells. Although more research is required to understand fully the effects of thyme on cancer, the early results are encouraging. The herb can be included in your diet in a variety of ways that will reap the beneficial health effects. It is possible to use fresh or dried thyme for an ingredient in cooking as a flavoring, or add it to soups and stews, or mix it into teas. Thyme oil can also be purchased in the form of a supplement or as a use on the skin, but it is essential that you dilute it correctly prior to use. Although it has many advantages, it is recommended to consume thyme with caution, particularly by pregnant women and those suffering from particular medical issues. Like any other home remedy, it's recommended to speak to an expert in the field prior to taking thyme for therapeutic purposes. It is not just a delicious food ingredient, but it is also an effective herbal remedy that has immune-boosting and antimicrobial qualities. Thymol, the active ingredient in thyme, is a potent source of health benefits that include the support of respiratory health, immune system strengthening, antioxidant protection, as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Although thyme is a great addition into your daily diet in a variety of ways, it's important to do so in moderation and consult a professional when needed. Through harnessing the power of thyme, it can improve your general well-being and health naturally.